Hey, welcome to Best of U.S. Investors midweek report. I'm going to give you an update on the platinum trades on the platinum swing trading channel and a couple new things that are going on at Best of U.S. Investors. So stay tuned. So if you haven't been to the Best of U.S. website, this is it. It's bestofusinvestors.com, or you can go to bus13.ai, that's bus13.ai, and get to the same website. So I just give you a little tour real quick. Introductory video by Kerry, the founder of Best of U.S. Investors. Our three different tiers. You got the Premium Plus, which has a 7-day free trial at $20 a month. You have our Platinum channel, which is $60 a month and includes swing trading lists along with different tutorials and Discord. All the sites have a Discord as well, along with a long-term analysis of the BUS portfolio series, which is based in the Premium Plus category. There's also a tribe if you just want to be a part of the community. It's $4 a month, not too bad. But anyways, that's the beginning of the website. So right now we're going to jump to the Platinum section. And we're going to go to the Horizons list. And this is a list created by Mark, who is our swing trading expert. And every Sunday, he releases an updated version of that. Today, we're going to talk about AllState and Acadia Pharmaceuticals. All right, here we have AllState Corporation, which when it got on the list, was put on the list, it was trading at $120.32. Mark got out of it this week as a paper trade for $127.15. So it was entered right in this area here, right around Friday or excuse me, Monday of this week. And then he got out of it at $27.15. You see a sizable pop here in the basically Monday, Tuesday. He took his profits at the end of the day because he saw a resistance level and he wanted to get out of it, so he took his profits. That's the cool thing about swing trading, is that it is not a day trading approach. It is a swings. You're looking for pivots in the market, swings in the stock, and in this case, AllState was trading at $120.32. He saw it broke through a resistance level and was moving up. And he has different indicators that he follows, and he teaches that on the Platinum channel, and he gives tutorials as well. Now let's go check out Acadia Pharmaceuticals, which entered the list at $23.14. He then exited it on Tuesday at $24. So right in this area, he got into it. It was a quick trade, got out of it on the 24th, paper trade only. This is not advice or recommendation, but a quick trade, made some money, and went on. And what you can see here is at the time, it broke the Horizons list, which is what this and AllState are on, are stocks that are looking like they're going to eventually meet all the criteria the market set out for his swing trading process. But there are some things, like in this case, stock was above its 200-day moving average, it's above its 20-period moving average, but it's below its 50-period moving average. And so that puts the stock on the Horizons list. And he saw a resistance up near that 50-period moving average, and then the stock, he got out, pulled out, and it went down. So very good trade, made some money. Like I said, he's just trying to get on base and win the game over a 9-period inning. He's not looking for home runs. This is the Horizons list is the second level in risk. And so let's go to the more riskier list, and that is the below the 200-day moving average or simple moving average list. The stock we're going to look at on the below the 200-day simple moving average stock today is Southern Company. It's a utility company. He had to it went on the list at $66.55, which was put you on Sunday when he entered it on the list and started. Let's assume if you bought it right at the open, you bought it at $66.55. He then got out of it at $67 even. So a nice little pop in the stock. Like I said, he got on base with this position. and then got out. And as you can see here, it's below the 200-day moving average. It's below the 50-day moving average, and it hit a resistance level that he had mapped out prior to putting this paper trade on. And then it has gone down, back down, or retreated from where he sold it. So this is a process, and it takes the emotions out of it. And you could be in a swing trade for 5 minutes, or you could be in a swing trade for 28 days. And on his list of stocks, there are stocks that he has been in for over 20 days, but made sizable profits because they met the criteria. They didn't break down, and he took his profits when he saw resistance levels. Great way to manage your trading process. All right, and then the second trade on the below 200-day simple moving average chart list was ASML Holdings. Now, he got in, this went on the list a couple weeks ago, and he got into it at $581.69. So right in this area here. He then got out of it at $600.12. Looks like a couple weeks later, which is a sizable return. Who wouldn't take this kind of return on a swing trade? I don't know anybody, but this is a great profit, a great example of when you put in a trade, it's a swing, so you're looking for that swing higher. It followed that 9-period moving average. He saw resistance, which if you look way back here in March, there's resistance there, and he saw that was a concern of his, and so he took his profits, and as we can see, since he's taken his profits, the stock has headed south, and today it is down 4.61%. So he made a lot of money and preserved it, and then now you're seeing this thing pull back. This will stay most likely on the 200-day, below 200-day simple moving average list because it's not meeting the full criteria to make it to the horizons list, and the stocks on the watch list or on the horizons list are not making the full criteria of the watch list. So you think about it in the sense of risk. The watch list is more conservative, more high probability of a positive trade. The horizon list is the second tier down, and it is a little bit more risky, but has good potential for a move higher up and a move to the watch list. And then the below 200-day simple moving average list is stocks that are below that 200-day moving average and have a whole lot more risk and a whole lot more direction to go to meet all of Mark's criteria. Now, these lists come out every Sunday, and he updates those, and then he updates them throughout the week. He puts that on our Discord, so as a Platinum member, you also get access to our Discord, which also gives you access to the Platinum channel along with the Premium Plus channel and the Tribe. So you get a whole lot of stuff and a whole lot of information in different portfolios that you can pick and choose from, and for $60 a month. So check it out. Hit the link below to go to our website and to learn more. That is it for me. That gives us the end of our look at what's happening in the Platinum channel. And I hope you come back soon. I'll do an update on Sunday and tell you how the week went overall.